Interesting facts about rain. The rainiest place in the world is in India. Rain has a unique smell. Raindrops are not actually teardrop-shaped. When falling from a great height, air resistance flattens them out into an oblate spheroid shape. Rain droplets contain dissolved nitrogen that comes from the air. This free and natural fertilizer makes the grass look greener after rainfall. Not all rain is created equal. An average raindrop weighs around 0.001 ounce, or 0.034 grams. The size of raindrops can be anywhere between 1 to 6 millimeters in diameter. Rain is formed due to the water cycle.